Daja, everybody, welcome back. We have a fantastic walking video lined up for you. Today we're outside of the famous Shuiyuan Market here in Taipei, right in the Gongguan area. This market is known as the Taiwan Art, Cultural, and Lifestyle Market. So without further ado, guys, let's go check it out. There's quite a bit of history about this market, and we'll get into it as we walk along. So let's continue, guys.
Taipei, fast, chaotic, endlessly hungry. And here in the heart of Gongguan is the Shuiyuan Market, standing here since 1953 and refusing to budge. Outside, you'll see scaffolding in progress. Inside, the real Taipei. Cleavers on wood, broth bubbling, the scent of history hanging in the air. If you want to taste the city's soul, you need to start right here.
I decided to come on a Friday morning so it's not as crowded as it is over the weekend, so it gives me a lot more freedom to be able to film and show you guys the market. Let's keep going.
Originally built from wood, built for the people, Shuiyuan Market was Taipei's pantry, feeding the city for decades. Then came the 80s when modernization hit like a tidal wave. Out went the rickety stalls and in came the concrete and commerce. But strip away the upgrades and the heart of the place still beats the same. Fresh produce, streetwise butchers, old school flavors that refuse to vanish. Progress may dress it up, but the soul, that stays forever. Hey, before I get lost in another vendor of something incredible, thanks for coming along. If you're into this kind of thing, market, food, and the real unpolished side of Taiwan, please do the usual. Like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel and it keeps the journey going. Don't go away, there's still more to explore.
Let's continue deeper into the first floor. Little chicken feet.
It's early, too early for the full chaos of the lunch rush, but just in time to catch the market waking up. Stalls are firing up their burners, steam curling into the morning air. The smell of braised pork rice, fatty, fragrant, perfect, already hangs heavy. Handmade dumplings, pleated with care, wait for their turn in bamboo steamers. This is Taiwanese soul food, the kind passed down through generations. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just time, tradition, and a deep respect for flavor. Come hungry and you'll leave with more than just a full stomach. Let's keep going, guys. As you keep walking, the market pulls you in. It's a full-on assault on the senses. The air is thick with a scent of fresh pork, mingling with the sharp bite of pickled vegetables. Cleavers thump against worn wooden blocks, a rhythm as old as the city itself. Stalls burst with color, bright fruits, fat bundles of greens, fish so fresh they practically wink at you. For generations, this has been the spot. Whether you're throwing together a quick home-cooked meal or crafting a proper Taiwanese feast, Shuiyuan is the place to start. And trust me, you'll never leave hungry.
All right, guys, let's head upstairs and check out the second floor. This isn't a very big market, but it is very endearing.
Tucked away near Gongguan MRT, Shuiyuan Market doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't have to. No neon signs, no sleek, high-tech storefronts trying to reinvent the wheel. Just an old-school, no-thrill slice of Taipei, where vendors know your face, maybe even your order, and a handshake still means something. Other markets have gone glossy, but here, it's all about the human touch. A nod, a smile, a quick chat about the best cut of pork or the freshest catch of the day. This just isn't a place to buy food, it's a place to be part of something.
beef. Like the beef. Oh, you're not supposed to come out here. Whoa, yeah.
Outside, the scaffolding tells one story: progress, renovation, the inevitable march of time. But inside, nothing's changed. The soul of Shuiyuan Market is still intact, still a meeting ground of history, culture, and flavor, still the beating heart of a neighborhood that refuses to forget where it came from. Whether you're a curious traveler or a local who's been coming here for decades, this place pulls you in. Every bite, every exchange, every narrow, bustling aisle, it's Taipei, past and present, colliding in the most beautiful way. Let's continue with our journey.
你好。你好，你好。哎。All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough at the Shuiyuan Market. Till next time, guys, 大家再见. See you all on the next video.